Struggling to keep your garden mulch in place? Don't worry. Mulch Glue Max is here to save the day. We'll guide you through our simple application guide for Mulch Glue Max. Just remember, Mulch Glue Max is not suitable for heavy foot traffic areas, driveways, under furniture, or when mulch is wet or cold. Mulch Glue Max offers 2 easy application methods: pour and mix or mix and spray. For areas prone to high foot traffic, we recommend the pour and mix method. It allows the strongest bond possible out of any other method. To get started, use a large bucket or a container to mix your mulch. Pour Mulch Glue Max directly on your mulch undiluted. Mix Mulch Glue Max and your mulch thoroughly with a power drill mixer attachment or with your hands using gloves. Lastly, pour your mulch mixture onto your landscape and spread it evenly using a rake or a shovel for the best results. Now for your everyday mulch problems, the mix and spray method is perfect for you. To start things off, follow the mix ratio chart located at the back of the label to mix Mulch Glue Max with water into a garden sprayer. After mixing it well, spray the mixture onto the surface of your dry mulch and bark, ensuring thorough coverage and saturation. After applying the first coat, rake or turn the mulch. We recommend 2 to 3 coats for maximum effectiveness and allow Mulch Glue Max to dry fully. Take note that it will take 48 to 72 hours for Mulch Glue Max to fully cure and be effective for whichever method you choose. And don't forget to clean your applicator thoroughly before and after each use to ensure that it keeps working like a charm. And there you have it. With Mulch Glue Max, achieving a strong and lasting bond for your mulch has never been easier. Thanks for watching our Mulch Glue Max starter guide. Happy landscaping.